How to file LLC partnership tax returns. Hello, my name is Daniel Passon with Robert Hall & Associates, and today we're here to talk about how to file LLC partnership tax return. Please like, subscribe, and set that notification bell so you know when we have future videos for your liking. First, we'll be talking about how you file the Form 1065 for the LLC. Next, the K-1s that are created that you will need to then provide to the individuals or partners that are members of the LLC. And third, the state obligations that you may have. First, for an LLC, if you have multiple people involved, multiple entities, this makes the LLC a multi-member LLC, which then makes it so you have to file a partnership tax return, or which is a Form 1065 form with the IRS. Now, if there's only one member for your LLC, this makes your LLC a single member LLC, which is a disregarded entity. So we won't be talking about those today. But if you do only have one member, you would not be filing a Form 1065 because you are a single member LLC and the IRS disregards these as not actual entities. So you have your 1065 LLC tax return that you'll be having to file with the IRS. This is a flow-through form. What that means is that the IRS portion of this form will show all your income and expenses, and after all of that said and done, you will have a net profit on your 1065 LLC tax returns for the IRS. You would then have your K-1s, which are created based on the profit for the 1065 partnership, and that K-1 will be then dispersed out to the partners. Now, the K-1s, depending on how many members you have, whether it's 100 or whether it's 2, would be splitting up the profits and or losses and credits, whatever else you may have on your 1065, and divvying them up onto each individual or entity's K-1. Those K-1s you would then have to disperse out to the members. Now, whether you mail to them, email them, drop them off on their doorstep, however you want to get it to them, you are required to provide the K-1s to the members of your partnership. That is how the individuals or entities would report that income on their own tax returns, as whatever the 1065 partnership tax return has will then divvy up that money to the individuals. Now, every state has a different requirement. For LLCs within California, where we're located, you will have to file a Form 568, which is the California form. You would need to file the Form 1065 for the feds and the Form 565 if it's a general partnership, or a 568 if it's a LLC with California. Every state has different requirements and different payments. So please make sure you check with your state to make sure you're in compliance and file the correct forms. As some states have no filing requirements at all, some states have only a statement of information to file, and some states require a tax return as well as a statement of information as well. Those are some brief things that have to do with the 1065 LLC tax return and how to file and the necessary steps to do so. So today we went over the Form 1065 LLC tax return and how to file them. And then you have your K-1s that go to the individuals and then your state requirements. If you have any other questions, please reach out to our office and we'll be sure to help you and get you in touch with one of our tax associates here at Robert Hall & Associates. Once again, my name is Daniel Passon. I'm one of the tax consultants here at Robert Hall & Associates, and I hope you learned some things today.